Hey Gavin, this video is just for you and anybody else interested in the steam crane. Okay, I knew I was going to have something elevated. So the first thing I did is I built my floor. And then I put my steam donkey in there. And then after I built my floor, then I built the crane. I tightened my lines up. All of this is just all, made up stuff, a lot of it, except the little bolts. I buy them in a kit. But I mean, you could see that, there's really, it's just pieces, that's a pulley you could buy at any shop. The roof is just a piece of arched cardboard with little, like toothpick size squares covering the joints. And then I built a little wood container for it. And then on the back of it, because it is a steam donkey, of course it needs water. So I put a big water tank back there and they can pump it up right out of the lake as they need it. So after I did that, then I came down here and I made a gear. Now what I did is I didn't have a gear that big, and I don't really think you could see the teeth. Maybe you can. Well, here, I'll stand back. This is how close you're going to see it. Okay, no eagle eye here, just look at it. I don't know if you could see the teeth in there. But what I did is I just took a piece of round cardboard and then I just started cutting little slats with it on my little bandsaw. That's all I did. Okay, then after I got that done, then I made the base. Then I just made how high I wanted to go, and that's, just all standard. Now, I did build this really hefty because, there's going to be a lot of power going on there. So I wanted to look big, bulky, husky, all of that. And you could see that, like right there, I drew the, I took a black magic marker, and I just tapped it and got my nails like that. Same up there. And then, of course, my sign, Ughnott Lumber Company. Okay. Let me walk around to the other side here. Walk. Okay, then over here, on this side, I got a little hand crane so that they could lift up the logs or slack wood, chips, whatever, and they could stockpile a little bit up there. Then I got a man in there, and you could see that everything I did was just, improvised handmade stuff, like the little pulley and everything. And everything is just my style of building, which is kind of like what they did. Timbers and stuff, tall timber trestle bridges were built for one reason only. They were very cheap and very fast to build, and if one burned or broke, they could build another one in weeks instead of years. But here's kind of a top view of it. I hope you kind of see it in the bottom, underneath there. And here, let me walk around here again. Walk. Okay, I was going to put a motor on it, but I opted not to. This does turn, okay? See, it will turn, okay? But I changed my mind. I went to other projects, of course, but anyway, Gavin, I hope I showed you enough here, give you some ideas, a hint or two, maybe. Any questions, you know how to get in touch with me. This is Larry, over and out.